Let's get any cleaning up anyway. They're all full of flipping rust and that. Let's get these off. Let's the dog see the rabbit, as they say. Oh, bloody Nora. The joys of working on a 30-year-old vehicle, eh? The coil pack out the way, just give me a bit of room. Plus, you can't see on camera, but I need to get down there because still the remainders of one of the mice nest. So we'll learn as we go. It's a bit more room now, I can get to that a bit better. So it needs cleaning out behind there. Show you. In there, we've still got quite a bit of reminiscence of the mice living down there, and they've chewed through. I'm just going to get a fresh set of them, clean all that out of there, spark plug change. We'll check the gap first, make sure the gaps are right, clean out the holes, put them back in, and then they're out of the way then. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So I've just checked on the internet, that gap between there should be between 0.9 and 1.1, so I'll just get a filler gauge on it. Just double check that the gap's alright, you never know, just to be safe. Rightio, so I've just gone through and had a quick check. The gap is looking nice and bonny, so we'll carry on as we are. It's always best to check though, just to make sure. New toy, digital torque wrench. Tell you what, that makes a massive difference, having a digital one. That's cool. Cool, happy with that. Oh, I forgot to blow the hole out. To make sure there's no bloody nest. Always going by hand first as well, don't be bloody riving the buggers. Still finding bloody bits of nests. We've got miles more room now, so I'm just going to blast everything I can see. And release spray, because they're going to be a bugger, aren't they? Right, so there's 8 6mm Allen bolts on the bottom pulley, but they are proper seized up. So tap that on. Trusty tic-toc wrench. I'm just trying just to crack them quick. Oh, there we go. Just crack them a little bit. Just break them off. Right, so I'm just trying to find top dead centre, but the pulley, because it's been sat for that long, is filthy, so I'll just spray it with some cleaner. I'm just going to give it a little gentle wire brush. Just keep turning it around until I find the timing mark. Once you find the timing mark, there is a little timing line to line it up with there. And then I can lock it up there. Yeah, it's been sat for 9 years now, so everything is gumped up. keep doing this until I find where it is, and then I will come back. If you're thinking, right, there's one there. If that lines up with that. Once that's lined up with that one, they should be parallel. Get this. That's perfect, that. Right, that's perfect. So I've got my little notch on my wheel lined up with the notch on the plastic cover there. What I'll do now, I'll lock that in position. Once I lock that in position, I should be able to undo this, blast this off, take the tensioner off, take the belt off. That's simple enough, just lock that in. Can't pull off then. That's the cams locked up. I'll just show you this as well. It's very tricky to get to, but down on the right hand side you've got that sensor just there. It's got a 10mm bolt. Pull the 10mm bolt out, just put the sensor out the way, and then you want to get your timing locking tool and just screw it into the hole there, and then what that'll do, that'll lock that crank in position. Cam's locked in place with that. The crank is locked in place with that crank locking tool underneath there. So now I can take this off, pop that off, get the tension off the belt, and then that's right. And then I can disconnect these. You've got to pop these just slightly off so that the cams are locked, but the faceplate just spins ever so slightly or something. I don't know, I can't remember exactly why I would do it. So I've unbolted the housing for the thermostat. The water pump off now. Oh, there we go. Oh, this one bolted top there. Bloody hellfire. Try again. There we go. Get all this cleaned off, let it all drain out best it can, and then I want to give everything a right good flush through. Right, that's the timing belt on. So what I've got to do now, I'm going to turn the crank twice just to make sure that all of the timing's right. You got to make sure. So we've got top dead centre on that. I've got them horizontal, larger hole to the centre. That's right. Should be able to just turn it 90 degrees. Just show you now. I've got the light out. So I don't know if you can see or not, it's proper tricky. There's the sensor. That's the sensor you've got to remove to put your timing tool in. It's all gone nice and bonny, so I'm going to put that back in now, tighten that back up, and then just putting everything back together. But yeah, I'm well happy with that. That's my first ever vehicle timed, and it's a V6, so got to put it back together now. Big start up. what I did before.